Welcome to My Bike Thing, your destination to begin your hand-built cycling adventures. My name is Paul, and thanks for watching. Well, this is a really good-looking wheel set. I love the ruby red anodized finish. Mavic Helium wheels and hubs showcase French engineering, earning its reputation. Let me show you exactly what you're getting. So I have these true to within about 1 millimeter. And they're round and they spin great. The hubs are excellent, the bearings are smooth, although the free hub is slightly sticky and could probably use some fresh grease if you choose to. The free hub is Shimano compatible between 8 to 10 speeds, and the skewers are included. There are some marks on the free hub from the earlier cassette, but they'll function just fine. The brake surfaces have been carefully sanded and smoothed, but still show some scratches and scuffs. What makes these wheels special are the helium hubs. Mavic didn't just build rims, they engineered complete wheel systems. And the helium hubs are precision machine pieces of French craftsmanship using sealed bearings designed to be serviced and rebuilt for decades. And at only 800 grams for the front and 1,010 grams for the rear, they hit that sweet spot of lightweight performance without sacrificing durability. These wheels are great climbers and awesome for those all-day rides in the saddle. The low spoke count for added aero performance and weight reduction make these efficient and compliant. And these aren't harsh race-feeling wheels. They're balanced performers that excel whether you're hammering intervals, cruising centuries, or those rides across town. These wheels represent an era when Mavic became the top of the wheel building game. Amazingly reliable, beautiful, and built to last. They're not just wheels, they're a piece of cycling heritage that still delivers the goods. And out of the box, they're ready to roll and ready to perform.